Hi everyone, if you are interested to learn how to apply rim glow effect in CapCut, then keep watching. First you need to put the video to the timeline, and after that go to the effects menu bar and type neon outlines and press enter. And here you will find new line outline. Drag to the video section and play it. You can see that the new line outline is almost covering all parts of your car. So if you want to just apply on the rim, how you do that? On the right side, the menu bar, go to the mask section, and after that click on add mask and select the circle. Adjust the circle to the rim and drag this arrow to the little on the upside, and now play how it looks. And here you can see that the rim glow effect is applied on the rim. So this is very simple and very easy. I hope you understand the video. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.